Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of fall interim review on number sense. Okay, let me go ahead and show you how I would go ahead and tackle number 1. All right, here we go. So again, if I see a number 7 in front of parentheses, I wouldn't right away immediately I'm thinking what? Distributive property. So please make sure you write this down. So I'm gonna take 7, right? I'm gonna multiply 3.2. Right, remember this is a positive 7, so I'm gonna write positive 7 again, right? On both sides of that, I'm gonna multiply, see the arrow. Remember, this is I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it. It's negative 2.4n, okay guys? Make sure you understand that. So I'm gonna multiply negative 2.4n, right? So at this point, let's just use a calculator to figure this out. So 7 times 3.2, right? It's gonna be 22.4. Write it neatly. 22.4 plus, then you do 7 times 2.4. Remember, it's a negative 2.4. So it's gonna be negative 16.8. 8 what? 8n, right? So this is our answer, but hey, look, when we look on the multiple choice, we don't see it. So what's going on? So remember, we can go back to the other way to rewrite this. We can write 22.4. We can rewrite a subtraction, which is minus 16.8n. This could also be our other answer, and it matches one of our multiple choices. All right, guys. That is distributive property. So number 2. Jacob bought 12 pencils. Here's our number. He bought 12 pencils for $16.20. Man, these are really expensive pencils for some reason. What is the cost of each pencil? When they say each pencil, they refer to how many pencils? The cost of one pencil is how much, right? So quickly we can take $16.20, divide that by 12, right? Or you can write 16.20 over 12. Either way, just use calculator. So what do you press first? You press 16.20, divide, hit the division, press 12 and press equal, and you get $1.35 each. Box my answer so we know. Make sure you do that on your paper as well, so I can see that you wrote this down. Next, we're gonna go with Dave has 8 1/4 gallons of orange juice. So here's our fraction. And the guest drank 5.5 gallons of orange juice. How much orange juice is left? So if they drank, meaning that when the guest drinks, right, this should indicate to you, I'll write it up here, we should minus. So 8, remember, you don't have to write the story, just go ahead and write the numbers and write the keywords that I'm writing for you. 8 1/4 minus 5.5. Again, so we want to convert it to improper fraction. 8 times 4 is 32. Add 1 is 33 over 4 minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, so it's 11 over 2. Right away, say, oh, okay, I can go ahead and multiply, right, this by 2 because I want common denominators. So I get 33 over 4 minus 22 over 4. So I just subtract the numerator, I get 11 over 4. And what is that? And it's a mixed number. 4 goes into 11 2 times, right? 4 times 3 is 12. That doesn't work, so it's 8. So I'm thinking, well, what's 11 minus 8, right? So that is what? 3/4. What? Gallons. You see how I figured that out? It's just basic long division, right? Okay, so if you don't remember, So it's 11 over 4. You put 11 on the inside, right? You put 2, 8, remainder 3. That's where 3 goes in the numerator. All right, last one. You might need to go back and pause if I went a little bit too fast for you guys. Again, what's this inequality? 2 is greater than, this says 2 is greater than P. Or I can rewrite it this way. P is what? Is less than 2. And the inequality would be P is less than 2. So remember, this is a, what type of circle? It's a open circle, meaning the answer cannot be 2. It has to be less than 2. So where are the numbers answers less than 2? So that would bring us to, I'll go ahead and highlight this one. It's right here. This is less than 2. All right, see it goes to the left. The arrow's pointing to the left, and that's less than 2. And you want to go ahead and select what? We selected D, and we're done. So hopefully you guys understand. If not, please ask, and we're gonna go ahead and continue with adding algebraic expression for today's lesson. All right, guys, thanks for the warm-up. Good job. Remember, believe in yourself.